guys can't see us, but we're about to kill a deer. Monster deer. Like a 3-point. We hiked up here early in the morning. It's check out the view though. It's almost 6 o'clock now. Yeah, we'll get the kill on video. Doc, let's see. For this night hunt, then it was a bust. We saw the big 3 and the 3x4, but we had Nate, the cameraman. We had him try pushing them toward us because they were just bedded in there the whole time. But then he ended up not pushing them in the right spot, so it got too dark to see. So we'll I guess we'll try again Wednesday probably. Got work Monday and Tuesday, so I don't think we'll be able to get back until Wednesday. But the good news is that we did find the buck, so yeah, this is the night of day 2, so catch you later on the next day. The buck was right there.
You come out here, you can
right,
see a little better.
yeah, right on that yellow, where's my finger? Right on that yellow ridge. He smoked him.
Just to the left of that green tree.
Yeah,
right
just to
there.
the left of the green tree. He smoked him.
Walking over, about to walk away, and then James called to him.
Yes, sir.
He was at 74 in my last pin was to 60.
74 yards. His last pin is 60.
Slammed right above
He aimed
its
right
back.
above its back and just smoked it. We didn't get it on video, sadly. Holy cow, I should have just recorded.
I know.
But hey, we finally got one. This buck is a 3-point and it has like 5 eye guards.
Dude, I did not think I was gonna hit that.
That's so cool. All right, guys. Here's Daniel and his deer. Hold him up again. Then Abel can get in this.